Ever found yourself staring at that looming phone bill a few days before payday and wondered, is there any way to make this disappear, like, right now? You know the drill. The internet's about to get cut off, you're missing vital calls, and your social life is hanging by a thread. We've all been there, that tight spot where a simple, essential bill feels like a mountain. Today, we're diving into a question that's popped into many of your minds. Can you actually pay your phone bill with Beforepay? Let's be real, managing finances in today's world is a constant juggling act. Unexpected expenses pop up, pay cycles don't always align perfectly, and sometimes you just need a little extra breathing room. That's where services like Beforepay come into play. But can they really be the quick fix for that pesky phone bill? Beforepay, for those unfamiliar, is a wage advance app. It essentially allows you to access a portion of your upcoming pay before your actual payday. This can be a lifesaver for those unexpected expenses, or, as we're exploring today, those essential bills that just can't wait. Now, the core question, can you use Beforepay to directly pay your phone bill? The answer, while not a straightforward yes or no, leans heavily towards yes, with a few important caveats. Beforepay itself doesn't directly pay your phone company. Instead, it provides you with a cash advance directly into your bank account. This advance can then be used however you see fit, including settling your phone bill. Here's the breakdown. You apply for a wage advance through the Beforepay app, and if approved, the funds are deposited into your account. You then use these funds to pay your phone bill through your provider's website or app, just as you normally would. This indirect method gives you the flexibility to manage your finances as you see fit, while still addressing that urgent bill. However, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. Beforepay, like any financial service, comes with fees. These fees are typically a fixed percentage of the advance amount. It's essential to calculate whether the cost of the advance is worth it for you, considering the potential consequences of a late phone bill payment. Furthermore, Beforepay isn't a long-term solution. It's designed for short-term financial needs. Relying on wage advances regularly can create a cycle of financial dependency. It's vital to use such services responsibly and consider them as a temporary bridge, not a permanent fix. Think of it like this: if you're facing a one-off situation where your phone is about to be disconnected and you know your paycheck is just around the corner, Beforepay can be a viable option. But if you're consistently struggling to pay your bills, it's worth exploring budgeting strategies and other financial planning tools. So, to summarize, while you can't directly transfer money from Beforepay to your phone bill, you can absolutely use the cash advance from Beforepay to pay it. It's about leveraging the flexibility of the service to meet your immediate needs. Just remember to weigh the costs and use it responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.